In this video, I will show you how to add funds to wallet on PS5. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on the PlayStation 5 home screen. Now, in order to do this, you can't do this through the store. What you're actually going to need to do is go into your settings. So from the PS5 home screen, what you want to do is press up, and then you want to come right to the gear icon and then press X to go into your settings. From here, what you want to do is locate where it says users and accounts just here and then press X. Then what you need to do is go ahead and press X onto account from the menu on the left hand side. Next, what you need to do is come down to where it says payments and subscriptions and then press X. And on the next screen, you will see an option here to actually add funds. So all you need to do is come down here. As you can see, it says add funds to your wallet. So just go ahead and press X onto this option. And then what it's going to do is give you some options of how to add funds to your wallet. So if you've already added a card, as you can see, I've got a couple of cards here. You can use any of those cards to add funds, or alternatively, if you've got like a gift card, so like a £10 PlayStation Network card or something like that, what you can also do is come across to here where it says redeem codes and gift cards, press X onto this. Then what you can do is go ahead and enter your voucher code into here, and once you've done that, of course, you can go ahead and select redeem at the bottom. So that is how to add funds to wallet on PS5. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.